Before you can break bread with someone, why not consider making bread? And don't be intimidated. I just made bread for the very first time in my entire life thanks to my good friend Christy and her boyfriend Dan, who posted a recipe on their Instagram feed. It was so easy for me, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do for yourself. Simple ingredients. You need flour, active yeast, salt, and you need water. And of course, a big bowl. Oh, and one more thing. Time. This is a 2-day process. So all I could find was 1/3 of a cup measurement. I need 3 cups. Don't interrupt me while I try to keep count, okay? One, two, three, 2, 2, 3. Okay, I need 1 more cup. Now you also need active dry yeast. You're going to need just a 1/2 teaspoon. That's gonna go in there. 1 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And then just give that a little mix. It's time to add 1 1/2 cups of lukewarm water. And then you're just gonna mix it with your hands until all of the flour and the water mixes into a bit of a gooey mess, to be honest. So you want it to look something like this. You're just gonna cover it with a clean towel, and that's where it's gonna be for 18 hours. Yes, I said 18 hours. And it should be really kind of glutinous like this, right? Get it all up there. Oh. Yeah, this is looking perfect. And what you wanna do is put it down on the floured surface. You wanna give it a little pat. And you wanna fold it once, give it a little pat, fold it twice, give it a little pat, fold in the edges to create a nice round ball that will look something like this. Take a clean tea towel and put some flour on it. A little bit of flour on top and fold up the towel. So this has to proof now for another 2 hours. A great place to put it is just in the microwave. Now we're not gonna actually, of course, turn the microwave on, but it's gonna sit in there where it's nice and safe. And then also if you put some boiling water in a measuring cup, it's gonna stay nice and cozy while it's in there. So don't forget to set your timer. Now that we're an hour and a half into our second proof, that it's time to prep not only the Dutch oven, but also preheat the oven. What you need is an oven-safe Dutch oven or pan with a lid that's good to 500 degrees. So time to put it in and get everything ready to go. So now we are at a full 2 hours of proofing our bread. Our oven has been preheating with the Dutch oven in it for the last ½ hour to prime the pot. You will not be greasing the pot at all. Open it up and see how it looks. Boom, just like that. And back into the oven it goes. Now our bread is going to bake inside the covered Dutch oven for 30 minutes. You've got a maximum of 10 minutes more cooking without the lid on. Take a look at this. No, it shouldn't be sticking. No, it's not. That's because we preheated the pan to the 500 degrees before we put the bread in. Hot bread, hot bread. And be sure you've got some butter softening because you're not gonna wanna wait to take a slice and try it for yourself. Big thanks to my friend Christie Lohr and her boyfriend Dan for Dan's bread for you to try at home yourself.